and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a super fun video that I have wanted to do for a long time. Okay, a long time. Hard to make the video when I only have like 2 or 3 items, but did I find the gold mine of all thrifting centers. Holy shit. So I went there this weekend and it was so crazy. It's this crazy center. They charge by weight, so everything I got was literally $25, and I got some bangers. I'm going to, kind of show you what I got and then show you how I would like upthrift it and then style it. Let's get into this. Hold on. This is important. Let's get crack-a-lackin'. I'm going to show you guys what I got and then kind of explain the process and how I'm going to style it, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so first I got these Cole jeans. I've never heard of the brand, but my mom saw them and was like, wow, these are so great. And I just think they're great worker pants and I think they'll make me look cool. These don't need any upthrifting. They are a little bigger, so I might have my brother take them in, but also I could just like put on a belt and it'll be fine, so I'll show you how I style this later. Then I got this dope child's tee. It's like a hard rock vintage. I don't know. I love it and it fits me fine. And this doesn't need any upthrifting either. Now I've considered cropping this one, but I don't think I'm going to yet. I don't like to crop things unless I'm like 1000% sure because there's no going back. But it's this Lee jacket thing. And it has this like cute little embroidered patch of a bear. This is Montana. The only thing that I would do to this that's considered like upthrifting would be like to put a different patch on. Like I might do a smiley face, but we'll see. This is the cutest cardigan ever that I got. I don't know, I'll show you. It's great. Okay. I have these rad Carhartt jeans. Amazing. They look so cool. They're like this weird, I don't know if you can really tell the color. They're gray. So I'm gonna dye these black because I think it'll look cooler. I got this little thing. These are really popular right now, but it's not oversized enough to be cute, I don't think. I might try it on and see if I can make it work, but if not, I'm just gonna crop it because I love a cropped moment. Next we have this Old Navy tee. Now, all my friends made fun of me for getting this, but then once I styled it, they were like, oh shit, that's actually way cute. So I'm excited for you guys to see how I style that, and I'm gonna crop this dope shirt. I'm obsessed with it, and I'm so excited to show you how I style it. It did have, what are these called? These things? Shoulder pads in it, but I already ripped them out, but I wanted to let you know that was the first step into upthrifting that shirt. And then I got this thing that's kind of ugly, but I think it'll be cute if I crop it. Wow, this is just turning into a cropping video. Who's to know? Who's to know? I also got this jacket there. Yeah. Then I got these pants, which are like kind of ugly, but like I'll show you how I'd style them. Maybe they'll be cute. I don't know. And then we might have to take them in just a little bit, so that could be a little upthrift moment. And then I got these gems out of the pants. They fit me like perfectly. They're high-waisted. They got a cool little logo. I'm obsessed. I love them. Can't wait to show you that too. This like shirt that has beer on it on the back, and I'm gonna crop that. And yeah. Also, this is one I got in like a former thrift haul, but I wanted to show you guys. So it's like, it was really long before and I cropped it. And then I did, I sewed it in just a little. I don't know if you can tell because my camera doesn't autofocus or zoom or anything, but I sewed it in and it's perfect. I got this little number that I feel like is very popular right now, so we're gonna try this and see if we can make it cute. And then my holy grail of items, I got these perfect vintage Wranglers that fit me perfectly, and they're in like mint pristine condition. So basically I got like 20 items for 25 bucks, which is insane. I also got a dartboard, but that has nothing to do with this. Let's get cropping. So I really wanted to show you guys the process of how I crop my shirts. I kind of just put them on and put out my arms, and I kind of know which cut works best with my body type and the jeans I'm gonna wear. And while I'm cropping, I do wear not my highest rise jeans, not my lowest rise jeans, just kind of in the middle so that the shirts can be worn with whatever, type of jeans I'm wearing. And then I just make a small slit, and then I go in and cut them later, like I'm about to show you right here. So I filmed this very terribly and didn't get it all in, but what I do after I do the small snippet is I fold those shirts in half and then I cut along a straight line. I just took a shot, so I'm not making a whole lot of sense. I cut a straight line right above that little notch that I just cut into the shirt. Does that make sense? It should make sense. Sorry I couldn't film it, I'm dumb. So this is my favorite shirt that I got, and what I paired it with was some high-rise jeans, some heels, and this really cool thrifted belt that I got a little bit ago, and I think it turned out so cute. Now this was that shirt that I got in a previous haul and I took in, and I just paired it with a thrifted belt that I got and some thrifted pants that I got. I'm pretty sure these were like some 12-year-old boys' church pants, but it looks so dope. Here's how I styled the Hard Rock tee. After looking at the footage, I didn't love it. I would probably do some higher rise jeans, but I also think that the Vans with the headband and the pigtails makes it so fun and cute. I think this might be just my favorite outfit right now. I love monochromatic looks, and I love these jeans so much, and I love the cropped Old Navy top. I think it's such a Kim Possible moment. I'm here for it. Now, I cheated on this one a little bit because that hat was not thrifted. It's a Carhartt hat. But again, with the monochromatic outfits, I thrifted that tank, I thrifted these jeans, I thrifted that belt. So cute. I ended up liking this Lee thing way more than I thought I would. I think it's because it's so long that it adds just such dimension to a super crop top. So I paired it with one of my tallest crop top, shortest crop tops, because I just think the duality was really cool, and I like tying it up for a little moment, but I'd probably wear it down when I went out, and yeah. So this is just such a basic outfit, but also so cute. I love just like a simple long sleeve crop top moment with a beanie. I think there's like no going wrong with this outfit. You're always gonna look like the chill cool girl. So I didn't thrift these jeans, so I'm cheating a little bit, but I do love how short I made this crop top. I think it gives a really flattering look, and it's amazing. When I say this was my favorite outfit I put together, this was my favorite outfit. Every single thing in this frame right now is thrifted. I love the crop top. I love these jeans. The belt, you can't really tell, but it has a little tortoise shell thingy. I don't know. The whole thing was just great. Oh hey, it's monochromatic Hannah again. So I just paired these cool ass pants with a classic crop tee and then this cool velvety, suede green jacket that I found at a thrift shop the other day, and it's such a cool girl outfit. It reminds me of Zoe Kravitz in High Fidelity. So this is just a super casual moment, but I think it's so cute. I love having the big tee with the little mock neck long sleeve underneath. It's very in right now, and adding the little pigtail buns was just so cute. This outfit definitely gives me like hot teacher vibes, but at the same time just like hot girl sitting drinking her coffee at the coffee shop vibes. And the cardigan is just such a cute cut, and I love pairing cardigans with a little turtleneck, and it's crop top, of course. Love it. So I hope that you enjoyed that video. I'm sorry that the explanations were kind of like short and quick. I think that I edited the video a little, or like edited those clips to be a little too short to like actually explain more of the styling behind it, but I think I got in enough that you should be good. Yeah, let me know if you like these kinds of videos, because I have a lot of fun doing it, even though it was like exhausting having to like change outfits, and my room was a disaster because of I just left the clothes on the ground because I was just like, yeah, whatever, you know? Does that make sense? Like this video, comment on this video, subscribe to this channel maybe, would be the most helpful. Just like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe to this channel right here.